Dear all, welcome to a chat show called Safar Manziloka, initiative taken by Wari Energies. I am Ajay Mishra. I am your host today, and we are here today to take you on a journey with the inspiring leaders, the inspiring entrepreneurs who have put their heart and soul in making sure that the solar reaches to the remotest corner of the country. They have worked really hard to make a difference in the society. So today we are privileged to have Mr. Satul Shah on board. Mr. Satul Shah is a director of Mac Power Solutions, a young entrepreneur who started off his journey in solar around 3 years back, and he has built an entire Mac Power Solutions to be one of the most known companies in Gujarat. Now, Mac Power is an authorized franchisee of Wari. So the journey of Setul Bhai has been inspiring one. The reason is very simple. The MacPower has grown multifold in these 3 years, and even during this pandemic, uh, the turnover of the company has increased almost by two times. It has crossed 100 crores, which is a very good achievement. And we will be discussing with Setul Bhai on his journey about what inspired him, how he did it, and what were the changes that he do. So there will be a lot of experiences that he will be sharing with us, and we will pick up from those experiences and understand his journey, and then take the inspiration from there. So, without a further delay, let us start the chat show. Safar Manjulaka, I welcome you all on the show. We can start off with the introduction of each one of you. Setul Bhai, we'll start off with you.
So myself, Setul Shah, I'm director here in Mac Power Solutions Private Limited. We are based out in Baroda. We are official franchise for Baroda location, and we are also distributor for solar inverter in Gujarat region, sales and service.
Setul ji, how has been your journey so far?
We want developed country. We want something more clean country, green country. So yeah, basically we are engineer, and we have to build. We have to make our country much more clean and all. So for energy sector, there is only one arm is renewable energy. Okay, so I started exploring in renewable energy, and this solar is the basically the key thing that it's emerging market on those days. So I started with something exploring in solar, and then started some small project in solar, some commercial project. So I have to quote this that my first purchase of solar module is Vari. I first only purchased module of Vari, and till today I never purchased any other solar module till date.
आप मुझे बताइए कि ये जो पैंडेमिक था, ओके, स्पेसिफिकली, ओके, ये पैंडेमिक ने कैसे आपका पूरा बिजनेस करने का तरीका शेप किया? हाउ डिड यू कोप अप विद इट? व्हाट डिड यू डू? व्हाट इनोवेशंस डिड यू ब्रिंग इन? एंड कैसे सर पूरा जर्नी आप थोड़ा सा मुझे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे ताकि हमारे लोग भी समझ पाए कि कैसे आप ग्रो कर पाए हैं, बिकॉज यू हैव ग्रोन मल्टीफोल्ड इन दिस पैंडेमिक इटसेल्फ.
On that time we thought that we have to reboot ourselves. We got time to restructure our fundamentals. We got time to restructure our organization. Okay, because in day-to-day life it won't happen. It's not possible to restructure all everything. We reorganize our team. I think we hired around 30-40% more people on those days. So we are preparing for next things, next target. So that helps us a lot in this pandemic.
That's really good, sir. And and it is rightly said that leaders don't wait. Leaders don't wait. They act. ACT, act. So it says like action changes things. ACT. So they change it. Whatever is the adversity, they will change it into the opportunity, and that's what you have done very well. Great, sir. Great to hear that. you took the business from X to 100 crore in within 4 years span of time. Okay, and then
They actually started from below sub crore to 100 crore in 4 years, not crore
we
billion.
are giving Isla moment to a lot of people. So this is a good part of it. It's a very good thing that you have done or you have achieved. What I want to know is कि सर हर इंसान के लाइफ में ऐसा एक मुश्किल वक्त आता है जब उसको लगता है यार ये तो नहीं चलने वाला, मतलब कि सोलर वोलर क्या, मतलब कैसे करूंगा मैं, क्या होगा, सही में चलेगा नहीं चलेगा। एंड आप ही नहीं सर, ये जितने भी फ्रेंचाइज आज मेरे साथ बैठे हुए हैं, जो भी सुन रहा है या फिर चाहे एम्प्लॉय हो चाहे फ्रेंचाइजी हो चाहे जो भी हो, हर इंसान के लाइफ में एक ऐसा वो नाजुक मोड़ आता है ना जब उसे लगता है ही इज एट द बेंच, ही इज लाइक नो आई विल गिव अप नाउ, यार ये नहीं होने वाला है मुझसे, मैं नहीं कर सकता ये। एंड देन समथिंग ही चेंजेस इन हिज लाइफ, सम डिवाइन thought that comes to him, yeah, some modification he does into himself, and then everything changes, and then there's no stoppage. So sir, आपके लाइफ में भी आई एम श्योर ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम ऑफ this journey of your solar, you would have experienced something like this. And what was it, if you can just share it with our people, and then what did you do to change it that made you Setul Bhai what Setul Bhai is right now? So just to you, sir, over to you.
Many times we felt that we are this is frustrating. How can we give the good result to end customer, and how can we satisfied? Because what we aim, we never achieve that satisfaction for internally for customer and every time. And this is the uncertainty of in project line is it's definitely वो हमें accept करना ही पड़ेगा. It is with us from day one to many means for next any challenges. तो वो uncertainty accept करके हमें आगे बढ़ना है, and that's the only good thing. Because जब भी प्रोजेक्ट में हम ये सोचना चालू कर देंगे कि सब एक स्ट्रीमलाइन हो रहा है, तब समझना कि वो ड्रॉप डाउन होएगा ही होएगा. एंड वी फेल्ट मेनी टाइम, ओके, एंड वी यूज दिस लाइन फ्रॉम डे वन. I think it's a tagline of our company. We are not part of problems, we are part of solution. So we have to find solution every day in every situation. That's the preferred thing for us, and good thing for us that we know to cope up with this.
Great thought process, sir. Great thought process. We are not a part of problems. We are a part of solutions. So we are here to give solutions, and that's really good. Marketing कैसे किया? Marketing कैसा रहा?
मार्केटिंग सर एक है ना सर, एक होती है ब्रांड और उसकी विजिबिलिटी. जो पारी का लास्ट 3 ईयर से जो मार्केटिंग है, सो एंड यूजर में उसकी विजिबिलिटी इतनी मींस वी आर टू मच सक्सेसफुली डिड दिस मार्केटिंग थिंग कि आज ईच एंड एवरी एंड यूजर इज मींस एक्सपेक्टिंग वारी फ्रॉम एवरी कस्टमर. ओके, तो एक चीज है कि हम हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस, हमारा एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड्स द प्रोडक्ट वो एक बढ़ जाता है. एज अ सेल्स पर्सन आई फील कि हम एक कॉन्फिडेंटली कस्टमर को कुछ सेल आउट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, we know that our quality is premium, we are most promising brand, but वो कस्टमर को भी पता है. Then the attitude of selling this product is increased. Okay, Gujarat में तो I think you started first in Gujarat this second thing, and it turns out very well actually.
Right. So it is like वो आर्मी को एयर सपोर्ट मिल जाता है.
Exactly.
आर्मी तो चढ़ी रही है, एयर सपोर्ट मिल जाए तो नथिंग लाइक इट. तो अब आपका आगे फ्यूचर का क्या प्लान है? व्हाट डू यू थिंक वेयर सोलर इज गोइंग, एंड आपके क्या प्लान्स है, आप और क्या करना चाहते हो? व्हाट इज यू वांट टू अचीव, वेयर डू यू सी योरसेल्फ?
Right now in Gujarat, the policies are much more improving. Okay, people are more accepting solar. So we government projects, government EPA are increasing. Open access policy are supporting for end user. So we already booked around 12-13 megawatt in open access and government EPA. So our next year is we already secure for at least this current and next year. We want to penetrate each and every small district to small, because it gives more revenue, it gives more project, and it helps us to expand our team. Okay, so we are if you see we working on gazebo. We put some solar rooftop. So we are trying to solar make more aesthetically good. Okay, so we are working with this architect group and all. So now, if you see Gujarat as a good market for residential rooftop, we have a huge market. Like if you see 600, 800 megawatt from last 2 year already completed. So as this architecture prospect, if you see the architecture, it will increase our business. We are coming with
Right.
bifacial module. Okay.
Bifacial panels, aesthetically looks good, generates more.
We are using this frameless modules and all. So yeah, that's our certain new and many more options.
Right. Tutul bhai, क्या है आपका मंत्र of success? What keeps you going? What's your Red Bull?
I read this line that expect for the best. You have to expect every time for the best. You have to prepare for the worst. Means what possible it will be the worst situation might possible. So you have to prepare for the worst, and you have to capitalize on what you come, what to come means what you already have. You have to capitalize that. So it directly involved with this project and we understand this thing.
Yes, we all also want to prepare for the
Yeah.
best, but then be ready for the worst also to come, so that anything comes in picture. Because what I feel is all of us are trying our level best. We are doing good, and there is अभी तो मंजिल और बहुत बहुत कुछ करना बाकी है. So how the way Robert Frost said it, like the woods are lovely, dark and deep. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. And miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. So there are miles that we have to go before we sleep. So with this, I would like to bring it to an end. Thank you everyone for joining in. We have